Good evening.
Everyone!
Have you ever wondered why we celebrate love on February 14th? Why do we exchange chocolates, send cards, and say, I love you? Not just in the US, but across the world. Is it just a tradition, or is love something truly universal? Tonight, we're not just celebrating Valentine's Day, we're exploring it. Because love isn't just romance, it's friendship, kindness, and family. And the most beautiful thing about love? It's a language spoken and understood everywhere. But love is celebrated differently around the world. In some countries, it's all about grand romantic gestures. In others, it's about honoring friendship, gratitude, or even enjoying being single. Let's take a trip worldwide to see how love is expressed in different cultures and learn how to say, I love you in multiple languages.
Let's start in France, the country of romance. Here, couples exchange love letters, perfumes, and luxurious chocolates. French people are known for poetic expressions of love, and on Valentine's Day, you'll often hear Je t'aime, I love you, Je t'aime, Je t'aime, Je t'aime.
Now let's head to Japan, where Valentine's Day is a little different. Women are the ones who give chocolates, giri choko, for friends and co-workers, and hanmei choco, for true love. 1 month later, men return the favor on White Valentine's Day, on March 14th. Want to say I love you in Japanese? It's Aishiteru, Aishiteru. Again, Aishiteru, Aishiteru. But in everyday life, people say suki des, which is softer and more common. Again, suki des, suki des.
In Italy, Valentine's Day is all about passion. Couples exchange baci perugina, chocolate-covered hazelnuts, with love notes inside. And in Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet, thousands of people leave letters on Juliet's wall. The Italian way to say I love you, ti amo, for deep romantic love. Again, ti amo, ti amo. For friends and family, you say ti voglio bene, which means I care deeply for you. Again, ti voglio bene, ti voglio bene.
In South Korea, love isn't just celebrated on one day, it's a 3-month affair. Valentine's Day, February 14th, is when women give chocolates. White Day, March 14th, is when men return gifts. And on Black Day, April 14th, singles gather to eat black bean noodles together. Want to say I love you in Korean? It's Saranghaeyo, Saranghaeyo. Repeat after me. Saranghaeyo. Again. Saranghaeyo. Saranghaeyo.
Brazil has its own take on love. Instead of celebrating in February, they celebrate Dia dos Namorados on June 12th, the eve of St. Anthony's Day, the patron saint of marriage. People exchange flowers, gifts, and even matchmaking prayers. In Portuguese, I love you is eu te amo, eu te amo. Repeat after me, eu te amo, eu te amo, eu te amo, eu te amo.
Today, we're exploring a unique twist on romance, how Valentine's Day is celebrated in Vietnam. Plus, I'll show you how to say I love you in Vietnamese with easy-to-follow phonetic pronunciation and share what special gifts couples give each other on this day. Let's get started. In Vietnam, Valentine's Day has become a beloved occasion for couples, especially among the younger generation. Just like in many parts of the world, you'll see romantic dinners, gift exchanges, and even coordinated outfits for those picture-perfect social media moments. The day is filled with an exciting mix of modern Western influence and local cultural flair. Whether you're wandering through the vibrant streets of Saigon or enjoying a quiet moment in Hanoi, cafes and restaurants are buzzing with special promotions just for the day. And, of course, there's one more key element that makes Valentine's Day in Vietnam extra special. The gifts. Vietnamese couples often exchange thoughtful and symbolic gifts to express their love. Here are some popular choices. Bouquets of roses. Just like in many countries, a beautiful bouquet of red or mixed color roses is a classic way to say I love you. Chocolates and sweets. Gourmet chocolates or traditional Vietnamese sweets are a favorite treat, adding a sweet note to the celebration. Teddy bears and plush toys. These cute and cuddly gifts are popular, especially among young couples, serving as a warm reminder of affection. Personalized items. Many opt for personalized gifts, such as custom-made jewelry, engraved accessories, or even matching couple items to add that extra personal touch. Handwritten letters or cards. A heartfelt letter or card often accompanies any gift, as words of love and appreciation are treasured in any relationship. Experience gifts. Beyond physical items, many couples enjoy planning special experiences together, such as a romantic dinner, a day trip to a scenic spot, or a surprise getaway. These gifts, whether simple or elaborate, are all about celebrating love and creating unforgettable memories. Now, let's add a personal touch to your Valentine's Day by learning how to say I love you in Vietnamese. Depending on who's speaking, the phrase slightly differs. If you're a man expressing your love to a woman, you say "num" phonetically. That's pronounced "num." Let's say it together slowly. "N-U-M." And if you're a woman saying it to a man, you say "mun." That's pronounced as "mun." Again, repeat after me. M-U-N. Vietnamese is a tonal language, meaning the pitch you use can change the meaning of a word. But don't stress over perfect tones. The effort and love behind your words will shine through.
Here's the story of Valentine's history, the legend, and the man who risked everything for love. Believe it or not, Valentine's Day began not with romance, but with a ban on love. Our story takes us back to 3rd century Rome, where Emperor Claudius II had a bold, yet cruel belief. He thought that unmarried men made better soldiers, fearless in battle with no families to hold them back, and so, he outlawed marriage. But love doesn't follow laws. In the shadows of Rome, a brave priest named Valentine refused to accept this decree. He continued to perform secret weddings for young couples, whispering vows in the flickering candlelight, binding hearts together against the emperor's orders. His defiance couldn't stay hidden forever. Valentine was discovered, arrested, and thrown into a dark, cold prison. But even there, his story didn't end. The jailer had a daughter, a girl who had been blind since birth. Some say she was young and innocent. Others believe there was a deeper bond between them. But one thing is certain, Valentine cared for her. Through his kindness and prayers, legend says something miraculous happened. She regained her sight. On the eve of his execution, knowing his time was short, Valentine wrote her a final note. At the bottom, he signed it with words that would be remembered forever. From your Valentine. He was executed the next day, but his name lived on. Over the centuries, his story spread, first whispered, then written in poetry, and eventually transformed into a celebration of love. By the Middle Ages, February 14th became a day for romance, and by the 1800s, printed Valentine's cards became a beloved tradition. And today, Valentine's Day is more than just chocolates and roses. It's a celebration of love in all its forms: romantic, friendship, family, and even self-love. So, whether you're sending a love letter, sharing laughter with friends, or treating yourself to something special, remember, you're carrying on a tradition that started with one man who believed that love is always worth fighting for.